TSSI Stock Analysis and TSSI Stock Prediction. In this 1 minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play. I myself am quite bullish in this, and even I'm going to show you my exact levels. Personally, have done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have personally seen what's making me money and what is not. So, unironically, I was the guy here when it was like 12, 13 bucks when I was buying back then. Now it's 30. So this is like more than a double since then, which is like, yeah, 3 weeks back. And ultimately, mate, all I wanted to see is new highs getting delivered. If there is a double break, and if the price corrects down and it makes sense, and if it doesn't and it just keeps making new higher highs without it giving me the rules, then I guess so be it. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and just trying to force movements. Even in my Discord, there's receipts with 4 results pop up. And if you want to learn how to make you 5-10k profit trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.